What's going on, guys? Jesse at Home Auto Spa, and today I want to walk you through how our paint protection film is different and what a standard install in this industry looks like compared to what we install here in Plano at Humble Crew. Come here, let me show you what we got going on. All right, so this is a Kia Stinger, and our client already brought us this vehicle with paint protection film done. So she wanted us to do a paint correction on the vehicle to restore its gloss and its finish. But as we were looking at this paint protection film, we realized this is a standard install. Now, standard installs aren't that bad. They do give you full coverage, and to be fair, the film is tucked on a lot of edges where it should get tucked. So objectively, this is not that bad, but we take it the last 10%, and that last 10% really makes a big difference. Let me show you what that last 10% gives you on a car like this. So first things first, you guys can see the line going around these little, I don't know, you can't even call them vents, they're just like trim pieces. Come on, Kia. But anyway, there's a cutout all the way around. So for us, our standard installations have us remove this vent so the film gets tucked. Tucked edges don't collect dirt like this, you see? And so not only is it more physically durable because it's less likely to catch and lift, but then you also don't get this unsightly dirt line going all the way across the cutout of the trim. All right, around the badge as well. So for us, we would remove this badge and then you would not get this like cutout circle here. Like, it is pretty clean objectively, but for us, we like it invisible, right? So again, no cutout here for us. Here's another example of film starting to lift up because it's the edge is just a little bit too exposed. So for front bumpers, we don't tuck unless it's bespoke. So bespoke would mean like the headlight would come out. Standard installations, this is our standard as well. However, the big difference is alignment. So for us, our alignment comes a little bit tighter here so that it's less likely to catch and lift, which is doing right here, you see. So our alignment, this right here, would actually move up about 1 millimeter closer to the headlight so that you don't have this problem here. So this tow hook is also a perfect example as well. Even on our standard full front bumpers, we delete this tow hook, and so it actually lays in one piece and we have to trim it by hand. But in doing so, we trim it to about here. So if the PPF is here, we would actually trim it all the way to about here, remove the tow hook cover, and then tuck behind this tow hook so that you don't get these like unsightly looking cutouts. What's really cool too is that when you take out the tow hook cover, you can do the same for the middle piece or the inside piece, get the film over the perimeter and tuck so that you don't have these lines going around this tow hook. So you can see, especially on a red car like this, it looks very unsightly. So this mirror cap does have paint protection film as well. If you guys know anything about this gunmetal chrome from the Korean cars, these finishes are very delicate and they're very important to protect because even with a little bit of abrasive, this goes from gunmetal chrome to regular chrome. So very important to protect this because you can't polish it if it gets damaged in any way. But if you look at this edge of the PPF, it actually kind of goes like that. It's not trimmed very clean, right? And so now you have a part that is darker and then a part that is lighter because this is where the PPF is. Our PPF goes flush along this edge here, right? So that you don't have this unequal, kind of uneven finish here. See, so this is cut by hand. So whoever was doing this cut it by hand but didn't cut it smooth. And so that's stuff that we would not pass here at Humble Crew, but it is industry standard here. Here's another really interesting thing too. So on the front fenders, you got this trim here. So for our standard installs, we remove this trim so that the film gets tucked all the way under. So this is what I'm talking about, right? The tucked film is less likely to catch and lift like this because you don't have exposed edges, right? So for us, it's kind of hard to tell, but the line for the PPF goes right here where my thumbnail is, right here, just like that. And so for our tucked film, it would actually go behind here so you don't get this line and then you don't get this lifting here. So I know I sound like a big old hater right now, but objectively, this is pretty fine PPF. As a matter of fact, for industry standard, I would say this is pretty good. I've seen way, way worse than this. So if you bought PPF from the dealership and it looked like this, it's objectively not that bad. But here at Humble Auto Spa, we do go that last 10% because it does make a difference aesthetically and for durability. And so with those more bespoke installations where we're removing trim, tucking film, the end result is just a cleaner installation. For perspective, we actually do have a Camry here that got our standard paint protection film, and I can show you what that looks like as well. So this is a Camry that we're working on. It's got full front paint protection film, so we've removed the Toyota badge. What's really cool is that we actually got this all to lay in one piece. So there's not even a cutout like this. It's literally full coverage. But that little small detail right here, once the badge goes back on, you can't even tell that there's paint protection film in this area. So when we're talking about alignment, this is the front fender of this Camry. You can see that the film goes right up to the edge, but it doesn't go over either. So not going over is important, because if it goes over, it might lift. So our alignment is very nice and tight, which is what I want to see. So when it's off by even a millimeter, you can start to collect dirt on that edge. It doesn't look that good, but when it's right up to the edge, it's way harder to see any type of dirt that collects on an exposed edge. We do bake all of these edges nice and hot as well, so that that adhesive sticks, especially right on the perimeter of the panel. That is our bespoke installation of paint protection film here at Humble Care Auto Spa. When you go to a specialty shop like ours, you're getting that last 10%. Not only is it more beautiful in its aesthetics, but it's more durable as well, so that things don't catch and lift, giving you better durability over time. So if these type of details matter to you, then bring it to a shop like ours. We'd love to help you out. For us, the installation is in the details, right? We love those small things that maybe other people are not going to think about, but that's what you get when you come to a shop like ours. It's Jesse at Humble Care Auto Spa, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.